Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal Fahrian. I'm from class 15 to C01 Computer Science Study Program. My name number is 15230634. On this occasion, I will explain about software. Software is electronic data stored and controlled by a computer. This electronic data contains instructions or programs that carry out specific commands. Software cannot be touched or seen physically, but can be operated via computer devices such as laptops, cell phones, tablets, or other electronic media. To create itself, this software requires a programming language written by a developer or person who is an expert in that field. Next, the software is compiled using a compiler application so that it can be used as a code that can be recognized by the hardware. Software history. The software was first created by a computer expert named Charles Babbage. This software was officially introduced to the public in 1935 by Alan Turing, through which writing entitled number computing with application to the Edge-Shading problem. Alan Turing was a mathematician who succeeded in creating computers with various programs to help make human tasks easier. Alan Turing was the first person to come up with a theory for software in 1935 and is said to be the father of the inventor of software. It was Alan Turing who chose two academic fields, namely computer science and software engineering, to exist and develop rapidly today. The first generation of software for digital computer programs began to appear in the 1940s. At the time, software had instructions written directly using binary code, which was generally written for mainframe computers. Software functions. If the term software refers to a set of instruction data or programs contained in a computer, it means that the functions of the software are as follows. 1. Provide important computer functions such as the availability of an operating system and computer system support system so that they can operate. Manage every hardware on the computer so that it can work simultaneously. Identify programs on the computer. 4. As a link between several software and the hardware on the computer. 5. As a translator into machine language so that the hardware can understand the commands sent by the user. Types of software based on the distribution. 1. Firmware. It is a type of software storage that can only be read, cannot change these properties, so there is no need to make future modification or developments even if there are problems with its function. 2. Freeware. This is a type of software that does not have a specific time limit. However, most of this type of software has features that are not very complete, so that its use is less than optimal. 3. Adware. This type of software can be obtained as well as used at no cost. However, this software still provides compensation with advertisements that appear on the computer device used. 4. Open source, namely a type of software whose source code can be opened, can also change, improve, and disseminated. It generally, this type of software is obtained at no cost and is developed by other people using a license called the GPL or General Public License. 5. Malware. It is a type of software that is considered dangerous and can cause damage if misused. Any software that is intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, client, or computer network. Various types of malware exist, including computer virus. Software specification for computers. There are several software specifications that can support operation on a computer, like 1. Operating system for server machine. Some of them include Sun Solaris, Microsoft Windows Server, FreeBSD, Linux operating system variants for server, or for example Caldera, Debian, Mandrake, Red Hat, and many more, as well as other server-specific operating systems. 2. Applications that support computer network application servers service. These include web servers, DNS servers, database servers, remote desktop, and other computer network supporting applications. 3. Applications for managing network traffic. These include routing, the process of sending data or information, which is carried out by forwarding data package sent on one network to another network, or other such as NMS, Network Management System. NMS here means network monitor, which is useful in monitoring computer networks. Software example. Software can be used in various fields, such as communication, entertainment, and education. Here are some examples of software. 1. Operating system. Microsoft Windows, Macintosh, Linux, Mac OS, Apple iOS, Chrome OS, BlackBerry, Tablet OS. 2. Word processor. Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Writer, Notepad, WPS Writer, WordPad, Atlantis Word Processor, Corel Word Perfect, Star Office Writer. 3. Editing software. Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign. 4. Internet browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Edge. 5. Antivirus. Norton Antivirus, McAfee, Total Protection, Windows Defender. 6. Database software. MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle Database. 7. Programming application. JavaScript, PHP, HTML, Python, Dreamweaver, Visual Code Studio, Notepad++, Bluefish, Komodo Edit, WebBuilder, NetBeans, and Sublime Text. types of software. If seen in general, software can be categorized into the three groups below. 1. Operating system. An operating system is known as software that is used to manage any hardware that is connected to the computer CPU. Not only that, this device also functions in translating activities and managing all processes that occur and are commanded by the user on the CPU. So, the user's commands will be carried out by the computer properly. 2. Application programs in general. A piece of software has been used to complete certain tasks. Software functions according to its intended purpose, for example Excel, Microsoft Word, calculator, and so on. 3. Programming language. A programming language is a language used in creating a program. If we examine further, there are several types of programming language such as Java, PHP, HTML, C, C++, and others. Making a programming language still requires special software to design programs according to the methods and structure in the programming language itself. Programming languages themselves are classified into four, namely object-oriented language, Visual DBase, Visual Fox Pro, DLP, Visual C, high-level language, Pascal and Basic, middle-level language such as C, and low-level language such as assembly language. That's all my explanation about the software. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.